Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome budget mic. Yes, this is done by a company called Maono and it is modeled AU-903. I have to mention that this mic is omnidirectional and also cardioid. So in this video, we're not only going to unbox it and just show you, but we're going to also connect it and show you what type of apps you can use so that way you can get your voice recorded. So here you go. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. So here you go. This is how the box is designed. It has some informations on one side and on the other side it will talk about the polar pattern, also USB Type-C, 3.5 jack for your headphone, and also table stand which is coming with it and what OS it is compatible with. And once we slowly take everything out, and we open the box, and we take the components one by one out. Here are all the components that are part of this box. Alright, so it comes with this box, and once you open it, you will get your charging wire, and this is the one that you will connect. So it has one USB 2.0 and two USB Type-C. So this way your connection is a lot better. So it comes with this user manual. This is written in 3 different languages. And once you go to it, it shows you exactly how you're going to be able to connect this and what type of features it will bring on the table for you, which we will cover in this video. All right, so here is how the mic really looks. So if you look really closely, it's been designed really nice. Now going down, you have their name. And then going a little more down, you have these 2 knobs. This one is for mic sensitivity, and we will test in a couple of seconds. But this one is for your headphone jack. Yes, this one you can put a headphone jack while you go live on camera. Also, this is really handy if you just want to hook it up and play video games. Now going on one side of it, you have these little knobs that you can open so this handle can come off. And at the bottom of it, you don't have any kind of connection. And I will show you how you will be able to connect this on a tripod or on your mic boom. So here you go. This is how you will be able to make this to go for the front or all the way around. Going on the bottom part of it is where the headset jack will go in. This is 3.5 headphone jacks you can connect, and then the USB Type-C connection, so that way you can connect it to your computer. Now there is no other connections around this. This handle is really nice too. The bottom part has a little film on it, so that way when you put it on the ground it will move. But if you really pay attention, the bottom do come off, and there you go. So now you can connect this to your boom and easily you can use it, and you can put it down on your table and voila, now you can use it. All right, enough said about it. Let's get this connected. All right, so it's time to connect this to the computer. Now we have already connected one side of it to the PC, and this one we're going to connect to the mic. And as easy as that, you should hear it on your computer that it got connected. Now if you flip it in the front, you have this little part that you can control. Now you will be able to see that that is green, that the light is on. And now let's go through and test it out. So now we're going to test the voice, and we will switch it to the mic so you can hear that how good it picks up the noise. Now remember that the volume or the sensitivity is very low. Now once we go to, say for example, 25%, it changes. Now if we have to go to 50%, we're going to go up right there. And now this is the 50% of how it really sounds when you're in front of it. So I have to make it a little bit more straight. There you go. So now we're going to talk directly to the mic. And now if we have to go to, say, 75%, this is how loud it will get. And now if we have to go to 100%, this is how sensitive it will get. Even if we have to snap our finger, it picks up the noise and the voice properly. Now this is a really cool thing to have. That's not the only thing. In the back, if you really pay attention, remember I just moved, so it should pick up that noise. Now I will flip it back to the camera to know exactly what the difference is. So now the voice is from the actual camera that I'm filming, so it will be a little bit louder. Now, there is a headphone jack. You can hook it up to your headphones and it will work a lot better. Now there's one more feature in the back that it says, right now I left it so it picks up the noise all the way around. So right now we're behind of it. And if I flip the sound right now, there you go, to the mic itself, now you will be able to still hear me in the back. Now if I have to flip this to the front part, there you go. Now the sound totally changed. Now if I have to flip it to the front, you will hear that this gets a little bit louder and better. But still I am on 100%. If I have to move it, say around right there, about 70%, this is how it really sounds. And I'm going to keep it there for now, so that way we can test it out to see exactly how it really sounds when we are playing with it. But this is how the mic will be connected in order for you to use. Now let's go through and show you exactly what type of software will be really good to play with this, and when you connect it, what you should see on your PC. Now I'm going to use Windows. So when it comes to screen capturing and also using this mic, I really like to use this app called OBS. Yes, you can go and Google it and learn about it, but it's very easy to set up and use. And there are a few features in the bottom that you can select. In this case, for audio capture, since I have a NVIDIA video card, there is a little feature that you can download so you can get rid of all the background noise from it. And from the list, you can select your mic. And you can see that I do have a Blue Snow, which is one of my favorite, but this one is my next favorite right now. Once you select it, you can remove the background noise, or you can just select it, and that's it. And once you connect your mic, you will have this little speaker. If you click on it, and you can go to the list, you can select the headphones for mono. This way, if you do have a headphone you want to connect at the back of your mic, this will help you out to use it. Except that just go through, click the recording just like I'm doing right now, so I can capture this, and you can go next to play with it. This is not the only app that I use. There is another one, and this one is called Audiacity. You can just go to it. First thing first, as soon as you load it up, make sure that you go to the mic section, drop down and select the Mono Fairy, and that's it. After that, you just go to click the record button, and it's already showing you your levels on how high your voice is, how loud or how far you are from the mic, in order to get everything recorded directly to this. So this is beautiful app to have, and once it is done, you just go to file and you can export, and that is it. You can export it to MP3 or WAV, and you can use it towards your system. Doesn't matter if you are going to recording your live session or you want to record a song. It doesn't matter, even if you want to dub over some videos, or you have your video just like what I'm doing right now. I'm dubbing over, so this way everything works perfectly. But in this case, I am using the actual mic that you just saw, and I was recording it. And that's about it. And I know this will work for you perfectly. I know you're going to like this and you're going to play with it. The price is right, and also the features on this are phenomenal. You do not have to purchase a very expensive device for your starter. This will do the job for you, so that way you can go to next level. And I hope you guys like our video. All the links are available where you can order it from, except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.